Hlinear is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of LED lighting fixtures and components. Located in FoShan, the capital of China's aluminum industry, the plant covers an area of 1,500 square meters and employs 56 people. We focus on aluminum lighting fixtures with variety of creative designs for general, ambient, task, and architectural applications in commercial and institutional spaces. Our products are manufactured in strict accordance with the requirements and standards of different markets. Our factory is passing quality and environmental system certification. Meanwhile, the factory is well equipped with bending machine, CNC carving machine, cutting machine, nanomaterial spraying, 3D printer, and other important equipment and machines for indispensable manufacturing and processing. Experienced workers to handle those processing, such as welding, polishing, and spraying. Our R&D team is capable of using variety of software to help clients accomplishing their jobs. To ensure quick lead time, we have inventory of plenty raw material and finished stocks. Each product will be 100% human inspected and aging testing before leaving for customer. There are necessary facilities in our test lab to provide test reports. Our sales network extends throughout Europe, North and South America, Asia, and the Middle East. Contact us soon if you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order.